Hey, you.
Officer, put him in jail too.
ምን
ኢንተርቪው የቱ ጋር ነው?
እኔም አላውቀውም ገና ነኝ እባክህ። እኔም
Hey,
አልጨረስኩም። አንተ
officer.
ኢንተርቪው ላይ ነህ? ገና ነው እባክህ። 12
Mahmoud,
ሰዓት ላይ
Mahmoud.
መመጡት። እሺ ስማ፣
ኮምፕሊት ፓትሮል ምናምን
Mahmoud.
ክተቷ ሁለት ነገር
Over
ይቀረኛል።
Leary.
እኔ ሁለት ነገር ነው የሚቀረኝ።
Arrest that Kawika too.
ምን ይሄ እንትን ምን ለመሆን ነው የሚቀራችሁ? ፖሊስ ለመሆን ነው
ንገረኝ።
እኮ። ሁለት ፈጽሙ አይደል የሚላችሁ? ጮክ በል እስኪ አይሰማም።
ኮምፕሊት ፓትሮል
Put him in jail.
ኮምፕሊት ፓትሮል
እሱን ለመፈጸም ማለት
With me.
ትሄዱና
Put him with me.
ከስር ያለውን ነው ከላይ ያለውን ሳይሆን ጎ ትሉታላችሁ።
ኧረ እኔ ምንም አላደርኩም ኦፊሰር።
ስማ እውነቱን ነው። ያው
Put him in
ኮምፕሊት
the
ፓትሮል
jail.
ምናምን የሚለው
Kawika.
እሱን እንዴት ነው መጨረስ የምችለው?
Wait.
እንዴት
Officer, first, I did not know you were talking to me.
እታች ማለት
Secondly, I did not insult you because how can you add so many violations? Yeah. Officer, I did not insult you. I did not refuse to give you a document. I did not even know you were talking to me.
እሺ
እሺ እናመሰግናለን።
Bro, I'm not trying to bribe you. I said we can talk about this. I'm not trying to give you
ተከተለኝ
money.
ነው።
I don't even have money, officer. I don't have money.
ጠብቀኝ።
Yeah, unlock him, officer.
I'm not even requested to send you money.
ምንድን ነበር ያለን?
I don't even have money. Check me. I don't even have money.
Unlock
What are you talking about?
ዜሮ ነው።
So negotiation is all about money. Negotiation cannot be all about money, officer.
Dawit, Kawika. Hi, ha. Ay, tesarre hama.
አዊ
Sarana wala ba? بني تقبر حدا ساعات ملء.
አለትና መምሳፍ
ترغط لنا سيكا put me in jail. Put me in jail.
አይሰማኝ
Put me in jail ولا
put me in jail
أنبسة.
hey
fuck you girl, fuck you.
This is a middle game.
Would you have
Mr. Brown's name, Mr. Omar. Please, what's the current status? Over.
Officer, please put him in with us.
Mr. Omar, do you
Muhammad
copy?
Umar, please. Put him in this jail. Thank you, officer. Put him in our jail.